Assalamu alaikum students. Today we have to read about image formation by spherical mirrors. The image formed by spherical mirrors is at different positions. So we are going to capture the object at different positions and we are going to see where the image is going to form. The first type is object at infinity. When object is very far away from the mirror. In this very case, this is the case when the object is very far away. I have put it here infinity and rays are parallel to the principal axis. As the rays are parallel to the principal axis, we are aware we have read a rule when a ray of light is parallel to principal axis, then after reflection it passes through the focus. This ray is parallel to principal axis, after reflection it passes through the principal focus. So in this very case, image is formed at F. That is a real image, inverted and highly diminished. Yeah, even point-sized image it is. The second type, so in this, the first type, when the object is at infinity, we have to remember the image is formed at principal focus, highly diminished, real and inverted. In the second type, we have to read about when object is beyond center of curvature. This is beyond center of curvature. When object is beyond center of curvature, we have placed an object AB beyond center of curvature. In order to form its image, which is A dash B dash, which I have made already, A dash B dash, what we have to see, I will take two rays from point B. One ray is parallel to principal axis. After reflection it passes through the focus. Another ray which passes through the center of curvature is incidented here at I equals to R equals to 0 degree. This is called as normal incidence. So it retraces its path and it meets the first reflected ray at point B. This is called as the B dash. So AB forms an image A dash B dash. The image here is formed between C and F. In between this, real, inverted and diminished. In this very case, the size of image is a bit smaller as compared to the object. Diminished, that's why I have used the word diminished. Now we are having the third type which we have to read about, that is object at center of curvature. Now the third type comes because it was first at infinity, then beyond center of curvature, now at center of curvature. Now once the object is at center of curvature, we are having AB as an object at center of curvature. In order to make its image, we took two rays from point B. One ray which is parallel, then after reflection it moves like through the principal focus and goes like this. Another ray which passes through the principal axis, principal focus, and then after reflection it moves like this. So they meet at a point which we called as B dash. So B's image is formed at B dash. So we can conclude like that: image is real, inverted and equal to the size of object. In this very case it has been found the image is equal to the size of object. Whatever is the size of object, if object is a height of 10 centimeter, the image is also a height of 10 centimeter. And this is the case where distance between object and its real image is very zero. Object भी वहीं पे है, image भी वहीं पे है. So in this very case there is a zero distance. Then we are having the fourth case, when object as it was in center of curvature. Now we are going to put object between C and F, center of curvature and principal focus. Let's make it out. This is a concave mirror. Let this be principal axis. This is somewhere center of curvature. This is somewhere principal focus. Now we are having object here. Let this be A and this is B. So in order to form its image, we took two rays from this very point. One ray which is parallel. Once it is parallel, then what will it happen? It will, after reflection, it will pass through which one? It will pass through principal focus. Another ray which we are gonna incident here, we can incident it at the pole. This is the pole of mirror. Then after reflection, it reflects such that it moves such that this angle and this angle, they are equivalent principal acts as a normal. So these meet here, so just form it image produced here. So this is A dash, this is B dash. Now in this very case, what happened? Image is formed beyond C. Beyond C, real, inverted, and magnified. Now it is magnified. That is bigger than the size of the object AB. यहाँ पे हमारे पास object था in between C and F. एक ray मैंने parallel निकाला, one of the ray that is falls parallel to the principal axis, and after reflection it moves to the principal focus. Another ray which is incident at the pole, then it reflects such that principal axis acts as a normal, so they meet at a point B dash. So in this very case, the image is formed beyond center of curvature. Image is formed beyond C, real, inverted, and magnified. These are the four types of images which we have discussed today. Tomorrow we are going to discuss the rest of the types. And till then, Allah Hafiz.